You start a Docker build and receive the error "copy failed." No source files were specified. This message means Docker cannot find the files you're trying to copy into your image. To understand why this happens, remember that Docker only has access to files inside the build context. When you run docker build, the dot specifies the directory that will be sent to the Docker daemon. Any files outside this folder are invisible to Docker during the build process. First, confirm your current directory using pd, then list the files and folders available, else. Next, review the Docker file. Make sure all paths in copy instructions are relative to the build context. Copy can only access files inside build context. Check your dockerignore file. If a file is ignored, Docker won't copy it even if it's inside the context. Option 1. Always run the build command from the root of your project, like this Docker build. Option 2. Adjust copy paths in the Docker file to match the actual folder structure. Example, copy app. Option 3. If your Docker file is in a subfolder, specify its location with docker build ffpath to Docker file. Once you've fixed the paths, rerun your build command and check that the copy step completes successfully. To avoid this error in the future, keep your Docker file close to the project root, consistently use relative paths, and review your dockerignore whenever you add or remove files. Question: can Docker copy files from outside the build context? Answer: no. For more troubleshooting tips, keep your build context organized and always check your paths.